Hello people, in this video I'm going to show you how to export a transparent text animation like this one in After Effects, but also you can use this method to export objects. So as you can see under my text now I've got a background, and if I disable it, it's only a black space behind it. And if we export it as normal, it will be exported like that and you won't have the transparency behind the text. So to avoid it, what we have to do is go up to File, go down to Export, and from there I'm going to go to Add to Render Queue. And then this will open, or you can click on it to render queue. And from here, we're going to have all these settings that we're going to adjust right now. So from render settings, we're going to leave it as it is. The quality will be best settings. And then I'm going to click on OK. And then the important thing is to go to the output model, and from here I'm going to click on that. And if the format is H264, we're going to change it to QuickTime. Now the most important thing is the video output. We're going to go to the channels, and if we click on it, you can see that I've got three options here: RGB, alpha, and RGB plus alpha. But in some cases you might have only the RGB and alpha, and in this case you will need the RGB plus alpha to export it transparently. So if you don't have the third option, what you can do is go to format options, and from here, from the video codec, you have to select animation, because if you don't have the third option, it will be something like Apple ProRes or one of those options, but you have to change it to animation and then click on OK. And in this case, again, I'm gonna go to channels and I'll go to RGB plus alpha. And what I will do next is go and click on OK. And now the next thing is to go to output 2. So I'm gonna export it to one of my folders over here, and I'm just gonna click on save. And then I'm gonna click on render, and this will start rendering the animation. And at the same time, it will show you preview of the animation as well. And here on the left hand side, you see how long it will take. And when you hear this noise, the animation is exported. Now let's go back to the timeline. Let's go back to the composition. I'm gonna delete the text from here. And what I'll do, I'll click and upload the animation I have just exported. There we go, export transparent, boom. I'll click on it, grab it and drop it over the background. And as you can see, it's black, so let me enable the background. And when I play it, we've got a transparent text animation. And just like that, people, you can export transparent text animations or any kind of objects in After Effects. And if you find this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.